Hello, my name is Mohammed Danish. I am a student of IS Public School from class 7. Today I am construct the model of human respiratory system. So first I will show you items needed for construction of this system and also how diaphragm is works. So first item is this cutted half bottle with this cap hole. Second one is Y-shaped tube and third one is big balloon which is cutted in pieces. This bottom part is useful. Last item we need these two balloons. So first item we use this Y-shaped tube and two small balloons. We adjust these balloons with the help of tape. So let's adjust it. After adjust the first balloon, we adjust the second balloon. After adjusting two balloons, we use bottle and Y-shaped tube and adjust in the cap of bottle. Last step, we use this big balloon part on the bottom of the bottle. After a lot of try, we fix it on the bottom of the bottle. So it's work. So this balloon look like two lungs and this part is the diaphragm. And this phenomena is done by with the help of air pressure. And these actions show how diaphragm is works in our human respiratory system.